Kashmir Point in Galiyat near Natya Gali, and you can see the forest and the trees, the green lush place this is. You can observe in the background.
तो नहीं अच्छी रहो इसकी अच्छी तस्वीर। हाँ ये बहुत अच्छी तस्वीर तो सोनी।
It is Ayubia, one of the most popular, among the popular tourist attractions here in Galiyat and near Murray. So this one is called Ayubia, where you can also find cable car. Just in the background you can see there is the cable car. I will show you from different angles as well. There are entertainment for kids, shops, restaurants, and all the things that you need for a picnic, or if you want to enjoy your time. guys, now I am at Natya Gali, which is also very popular point here in Galiat near Murray, just an hour away, and it is always expanding. When last year I came here, it was not big like that, but it is expanding day by day. There are so many restaurants, hotels and spots. You can go from here by foot to nearby areas. There are hiking tracks, there are trekking tracks, and everything that you can find. And again, the weather is just fantastic. The weather is just fantastic, especially in summer. So I'm looking forward to show you Natya Gali as well. In Natya Gali you can find clouds. These are clouds. These clouds are just, we are above the clouds. You can see in the trees you can find the clouds here. That is a very fantastic weather you will find in Natya Gali here. Natya Gali here, there are many hiking tracks, wildlife and trekking etc. There's all of forest and a nice place with trees and everything, and the weather is just fantastic like Murray. So it is not just the downside market, but there are many places you can go just by walking and can enjoy